Hi friends, this is your lesson 38 exit ticket. So we have been talking about how we can create number sentences using a number bond, okay? So you will see in your exit ticket that these two number bonds have been filled in for you. Now what I want you to do is we are going to write the 4 number sentences that match this number bond. Now friends, we talked about this a long time ago, but we know that you can create 2 subtraction number sentences and 2 addition number sentences to match a number bond. So I want you to think about what is the subtraction sentence you can make with this number bond. There are 2. So you will see their first number sentence is subtraction, the second one is addition, and then you can create the 2 down here. So this first one up here will be another subtraction sentence, not the same one up here, but the other subtraction sentence that matches this number bond. And then down here will be the other addition sentence that matches this number bond. Not this number addition sentence, but the different one that matches this number bond. Okay, friends? You're going to do that for both of these problems. Again, if you get to this page and you have no idea what you should be doing, go back and watch your learning video again or put your name on the help board, okay? But you are creating the 4 number sentences that match this number bond up here.